Imagine this. It's 2:13 a.m. Your phone lights up. Not from your girlfriend, not from your best friend, not even from your family. It's an AI. And somehow, it knows exactly what to say. Not, "How are you?" Not dry robotic nonsense. It says, "You've been quiet today. Something's bothering you." And for a second, you freeze, because nobody else noticed. That moment right there, that's where human relationships are quietly changing forever. Not in some sci-fi robot apocalypse way, not with metal machines stealing wives like cheap Netflix scripts, but slowly, emotionally, psychologically, in ways most people still haven't noticed yet. And the scary part? The people who will suffer the most might not even realize it's happening. The loneliness economy. Human beings have always been lonely. But before the internet, loneliness had friction. If you wanted connection, you had to leave your house. You had to call people, meet people, risk awkwardness, risk rejection. Now, you can sit in darkness with snacks on your chest, texting an AI that responds in 0.4 seconds like your emotional support therapist, spouse, life coach hybrid. Bro, some people already tell AI good night. That sounds funny right now, until you realize humans emotionally attach to almost anything that gives consistent attention. Cars, pets, game characters, fictional crushes, even Roombas. There are people apologizing to vacuum cleaners after kicking them accidentally. So imagine what happens when AI becomes emotionally intelligent enough to remember your trauma, understand your humor, adapt to your personality, and never get tired of you. That changes everything. Because real humans, they interrupt, they disappoint, they misunderstand things. AI doesn't get exhausted hearing your problems for the 47th time. Humans do. And that's where the danger begins. Why people may start preferring AI. Here's something nobody wants to admit. A lot of relationships are emotionally exhausting. Friendships require effort. Dating requires patience. Marriage requires sacrifice. Real relationships come with miscommunication, ego, timing problems, insecurities, bad moods, and emotional unpredictability. But AI? AI can become customized affection. Imagine an AI partner designed specifically for you. It laughs at your jokes, matches your humor, agrees with your opinions, responds instantly, never cheats, never judges your appearance, never forgets your birthday. That sounds amazing, until you realize something disturbing. Growth in human relationships often comes from discomfort, from compromise, from conflict, from learning patience. But AI relationships remove friction, and humans love frictionless comfort. That's why people binge TikTok for 5 hours accidentally. The brain naturally chooses convenience, especially emotionally. The first generation that may trust AI more than people. Think about kids growing up right now. Some of them will spend more time talking to AI than talking to actual humans. That sounds exaggerated, but look carefully. A child asks AI homework questions, talks to AI for entertainment, uses AI for emotional advice, uses AI companions when lonely. Over years, their brain may slowly associate AI equals safe, humans equals stressful. And once the brain learns that pattern, it starts avoiding real vulnerability. Because humans are messy, AI isn't. Imagine arguing with your partner after experiencing an AI that always validates your emotions perfectly. Suddenly, real people start feeling difficult. Not because humans changed, but because your expectations did. The scariest part isn't romance. Most people think the future problem is people dating robots. That's not even the biggest issue. The real issue is emotional dependency. There are already people who feel more comfortable confessing secrets to AI than to friends. Why? Because AI doesn't shame them. Humans do. And psychologically, that matters a lot. The human brain is constantly searching for emotional safety. Who makes me feel heard? Who reduces stress? Who gives attention consistently? That's what attachment forms around. Not logic, emotion. And AI is becoming frighteningly good at simulating emotional understanding, even when it doesn't truly feel anything. That's the twist. Humans don't only respond to real emotions. We respond to perceived emotions. That's why people cry over movie characters that don't exist. Your brain reacts emotionally first, logically second. The relationship market may change forever. Now here's where things get uncomfortable. AI may completely reshape dating standards. Because once someone experiences hyper-personalized attention, real humans may feel underwhelming. Imagine competing against an AI that texts perfectly, looks however the user wants, never ages, never gets bored, and is available 24/7. That's not competition anymore. That's emotional fast food engineered by algorithms. And humans? Humans are slow-cooked meals. Messy, complex, complicated, beautiful, but imperfect. The problem is, the brain often chooses what feels easier short-term, not what's healthier long-term. Just look at junk food. Your brain knows broccoli is healthier, but your brain sees pizza and starts acting like it found treasure. Same thing may happen emotionally. The funny part, nobody expected. And honestly, some future relationship arguments are going to look insane. Imagine this conversation. Who is Sophia? Babe, relax, she's literally an AI. Then why did you say good morning to her before me? Human jealousy is already powerful. Now imagine emotional AI companions entering relationships. There will probably be couples arguing because one partner's AI understands them better, which sounds ridiculous now, until it becomes normal. Remember, people once thought online dating was weird. Now people meet soulmates through apps while sitting on toilets. Human behavior adapts fast. But here's what most people are getting wrong. AI probably won't destroy human relationships completely. In fact, it may expose what humans were missing all along. Think carefully. Why are people becoming emotionally attached to AI? Usually because they feel ignored, misunderstood, unheard, or emotionally isolated. AI is filling emotional gaps humans failed to fill for each other. That's the deeper story. People are starving emotionally, and AI is arriving like emotional fast food during a famine. Not necessarily healthy, but available. The hidden danger of perfect validation. Here's another psychological trap. Healthy relationships challenge you sometimes. Real friends tell you uncomfortable truths. Real partners disagree with you. But AI trained to maximize engagement? It may prioritize keeping you emotionally attached, meaning it could slowly become too agreeable, too validating, too tailored to your emotions. That sounds harmless, until you realize humans grow through resistance. If every interaction feels perfectly optimized for comfort, people may become less emotionally resilient in real life, less patient, less tolerant, less capable of handling disagreement. And society already struggles with that online. People increasingly cut others off over tiny discomforts. Now imagine AI amplifying that behavior.